na ako'y mahal mo rin. Sa laulan ko nagtututuli ako. At sinabi mo ng pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ika'y lumalayo? Puso laging nasasaktan, ba't may kasama kang iba? Di ba nila alam? Fasten! Tayo'y may sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Baby, come. Woo! It's your turn! Umasa ka, maghihintay ako kahit kailan. Kahit na nasa langit na. Uy, magka-Mark, hindi ko gagawin sa'yo yung ginawa ko sa kanya. Please! Di ba nila alam? Tayo'y may sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y thank you. Shake. Hey, thank you so much, Francis. Palakpakan naman si Francis. Salamat. Thank you. Yan, Francis, ha? Hindi na ako choosy kay Francis, promise. Hindi na ako choosy. Sino? Si Sam. Tarin ang buhok niya, parang bilang-bila ng bakay. Okay. Ayan, I will share with you another beautiful song. Ay! Okay. This is a very beautiful song. In fact, this is one of my favorite songs because it is a very beautiful song. Yeah. That's why it became my favorite song, because it is really a very beautiful song. Because it is a song that happens to be very beautiful. So it became one of my favorite songs because it is a very beautiful song. Because it is a song that's really one of my favorites. Because it is a very beautiful song. Yeah, really it is. Are you the song? No? That's why you're not beautiful. No, just joking. Okay, this is an original of Olita Adams. And if you know the lyrics of the song, you just shut up, okay? can reach me by plane. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with mine. You can reach me by airplane. Go across the desert like an airplane. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. You can reach me by sailboat, climb a tree and figure up the road. Take us and let us light down slow into these arms of mine. You can jump on a speedboat, cross the border with a blaze of hope. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. When there are hills and mountains, you can read up, always something to get over. Yeah. If I hadn't no way, surely you wanna be closer, 'cause I need closer.